It is a historic day here in the Commonwealth. Sports betting now legal in Kentucky. WDRB's Christy Batista is live at Churchill Downs where the very first bets were placed. Christy?
The wager window is open and officially ready to take your bets. The sportsbook here at Aristides Lounge also has 15 kiosks where you can walk up to. I'm going to give you a look at that, and they have been packed since the grand opening earlier today. Governor Andy Beshear placed the very first legal bet this morning. The American Gaming Association says Kentucky is the 35th state to legalize sports betting. The legislation passed less than 6 months ago. The Commonwealth is expected to make millions just by the end of this year. That money is coming from the sportsbook taxes. Governor Beshear says it's expected to bring in an average of $23 million a year. The governor says that money will go into the state's pension fund. And this historic day is something Kentuckians have been asking for a while.
But today is a really fun day. It's a day that Kentuckians deserve. Everybody out there, do it responsibly, but go out, make your first bet, and enjoy.
A big day here where in-person betting kicks off at Churchill Downs. And if you come before the fall meet, you'll be able to come right up to the sports book. But once live racing starts next week, you will have to pay general admission. You will be able to wager online in just a few weeks on September 28th.
All right, Christy, thank you. And Kentuckians will be just some of the tens of millions of Americans expected to bet on NFL games this season. According to a survey by the American Gaming Association, 73.5 million people in the U.S. will place bets on pro football. That's a 57% increase from last year. But it's not too big of a surprise as more states like Kentucky legalize sports betting. The American Gaming Association says the sports gaming industry has made more than $250 billion in wagers since 2018. That is when the Supreme Court reversed a decision that limited betting to Nevada.